Now dear student, our question number 1 under our exercise 5.2 is state the property that is used in each of the following statement. As when you watch the video, introduction video, then you can see that this arrangement is also like this. A and B, this ray, these lines, they are parallel to each other, and these two lines, they are transversal. So in this arrangement we can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, there are 8 angles. Then first, if A is parallel B, then angle 1 is equals to angle 5. Then we have to mention the property that used under it. So what property we can see? That angle 1 and angle 5, they are on the same side of the transversal. This is transversal line, and they are corresponding angles. So we will write that corresponding angles property is used in the above statement. Okay. Now second one, if angle 4 equal angle 6. Now they are saying if angle 4 and angle 6 are equal, then A and B are parallel. So what property they used? The property is alternate interior angle. So you will write alternate interior angles property is used in the statement. Okay dear student. Now third one, if angle 4 and angle 5, the sum of angle 4 and angle 5 is 180 degree, then A parallel B. Angle 4 and angle 5, they both are interior angles and they both are the same side of the transversal. So what is the property? Interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. This is the property that we used. Now question number 2 is here, and in the adjoining figure identify, we have to identify. Under it there are 4 questions. The pairs of corresponding angles, the pairs of corresponding angles in this angle formation, the figure. Angle 1, angle 4, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, they are in a cyclic order. A and B are parallel here. The pairs of corresponding angles, we can see the pairs of corresponding angles. Angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding. In the same way, angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding. And if we see here, angle 4 and angle 8 are corresponding angle, and angle 3 and angle 7 are corresponding angle. One is their exterior angle and one is the interior angle, and their vertices are different. They are not sharing same vertices, and they are on the same side of transversal. Okay, so the pairs of corresponding angles that we will write will be angle 1 and angle 5, that I am writing there. Okay, angle 1 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 8, comma, angle 2 and angle 6, and at last angle 3 and angle 7. Okay, I am repeating: angle 1 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 8, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 7. Okay dear student. Now the pairs of alternate interior angles. Now, alternate interior angle, first we will see the interior angles. There are 2, 3, 5 and 8. They are our interior angles, and under it there are two pair of alternate interior angles. First you can see angle 2 and 8. They are alternate interior angle. Both are interior and both are on the different vertices and on the different side of our transversal. So angle 2 and angle 8, and also angle 3 and angle 5. Okay. Now dear student, third one, the pairs of interior angles and on the same sides of the transversal. They should be the pairs of interior angle. Okay, and they should be the same sides of the transversal, and we can see that angle 2 and 5 both are interior angle and they both are on the same sides of transversal. Same side of transversal means this is our transversal line and they are on the same side, right hand side or left hand side. Okay, and angle 3 and 8, so that we will write angle 2 and angle 5 comma angle 3 and angle 8. So this is the answer of third. Now fourth, the vertically opposite angles. Now we have to observe the vertically opposite angles here. So we can see that these transversal are intersecting line A and B both. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of vertically opposite angles. First one we will write angle 1 and angle 3 comma angle 2 and angle 4. 1 and 3, 2 and 4. Okay. Now here 5 and 7 and 6 and 8. So comma angle 5 and angle 7. Then here we will write angle 6 and angle 8. They are our vertically opposite angles in the figure. Okay. Third question, in the adjoining figure, P is parallel to Q. Find the unknown angles. Let me show you the figure. Okay. This is our figure. So let us solve this question in notebook. Here, this is our figure, and under it this P and Q, they are parallel, and this line is acting as transversal line. So in this formation we can see there is angle A, angle B, C and D, angle F 125 degree, and angle E is given to us. So we have to find the unknown angle, means we have to find the measure of these 6 angles. Let us see. By observing the figure, angle D is equals to 125 degree. Now student, why it is we can say that, how we can say that angle D is 125 degree? Let me show you. Let us do like this. Okay, this is angle D interior, 125 exterior, and they are not sharing the same vertices, and they are the different, though they are on the same side of transversal, and they are corresponding angles. And corresponding angles are of equal measure. Okay, so corresponding angles, angle D is equals to 125. Now dear student, we know that the linear pair is the sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree. Now you can see here on this P line, angle E and 125 degree angle. Their non-common arms are on the different side of this common arm. Okay, they are having the common vertices. So angle E plus 125 degree equals 180 degree linear pair angles. That one can write in short form also, L dot P dot A apostrophe S is angles angle E equal 180 degree, then we are transposing 125 and we are subtracting it from 180, and what we are getting? We are getting 55 degree. So our angle E is 55 degree. Angle F equal angle E. Angle F and E, they are vertically opposite angles. So angle F equal angle E, and since angle E is of 55 degree, now angle F is also 55 degree, because these two lines are intersecting, and with their intersection these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Okay, and opposite means आमने सामने. Now also angle B equal angle D equal 125. How? Because angle D is of 125 degree, so vertically opposite to this angle is B. It is also 125 degree. Now remaining angles we can see now by the property of corresponding angles. Angle C equal angle F and angle A equal angle E, 55 degree. How? C equal F and A equal E. You can see angle F and E are 155 degree. Angle F and C, angle F and C, they are corresponding angle. Okay, and angle E and A are also corresponding angles. So their measure is 55 degree and 55 degree. Here we get the measure of all the angles. Those values were unknown. Okay. Question number 4. Find the value of x in each of the following figures if L parallel M. Here in the figure they are giving us the two lines L and M, and we can see that this angle is of 110 degree and this is of an x, and we have to find the value of x here. Then how can we find this value? Because there is no relation in between the angle. So let us see the solution. First, let us assume other angle on the line M. On this line M we are assuming other angle. Okay, and we are taking it as B angle Y. So let me show you. Here we are assuming another angle and we are in this Y. Now this angle is Y, we let it as Y, and now we will see the relation between this Y and 110 degree. They are corresponding angles, so we will write. Then by the property of corresponding angle, angle Y equal 110 degree, and we know that sum of linear pair is equal 180 degree. Then in next step we can write angle x plus angle y. Now student, this y, angle y is equals to 110 degree, they are corresponding angles, and now angle y and angle x, they are linear pair angles. They are angle on the same vertices and on a straight line. Then we will put the value of angle y, which is 110 degree. After solving it, we will find our required angle x. then these are the steps that we are following. Angle x plus 110 degree equal 180 degree. Angle x equal the difference of 180 and 110, which is 70 degree. Okay, dear student. Now 70 degree is the value of x. Next, what remains? Nothing. Okay, the second question, let us move to the second one. Here L and M are the lines, and line A and B are given to us, and we have to find the value of x. And in this case, L and M are transversal to A and B, and also A and B are transversal to L and M. Okay, now see this angle x and this angle of 100 degree. Okay, angle x and angle of 100 degree, they are this is interior angle, this is exterior angle. They both are on the same side of the transversal. Transversal is A, and we can see that these angles are corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are of same measure. So what we will write as answer? Angle x equal 100 degree. The value of x is 100 degree. Reason is corresponding angles. Okay, they are corresponding angles. Now question number 5. Here student, this is the question number 5. Here in the given figure, the arms of two angles are parallel. The arms of two angles are parallel means this BC is parallel to EF. Okay, and this AB is parallel to DG. G is the point here. Okay, G is the point we can see here. Let me write it more close to the point. According to question, that arms of these two angles are parallel. Then if angle ABC they are giving 70 degree, then find angle DGC. We have to find angle DGC and also DEF. We have to find the measure of these two angles, DGC and DEF. Let us see the solution. Okay, under it, first one, let us consider that AB is parallel to DG. This AB and DG are parallel. So this BC is acting as transversal line. BC is the transversal line intersecting AB and DG. Let me move it little. This AB is a line and DG is a line, and this BC is transversal line. Okay, so by the property of corresponding angles, you can see this angle is interior angle, and under it G. If we observe this angle G, that means angle DGC, it is an exterior angle, so they are corresponding angles. So we will write here that angle DGC equal angle ABC. This angle ABC of 70 degree is corresponding to angle DGC, this angle. Okay, so angle DGC equal 70 degree. Here we find the measure of angle DGC. Okay, now second, we have to find angle DEF. Then let us consider here also that BC is parallel to EF. BC parallel EF. Now student, this side BC and EF parallel. Then this line DE is a transversal line. So we will write DE is the transversal line intersecting BC and EF. BC and EF. Now you can see this angle is of 70 degree and here this angle is of, this is unknown. So angle DEF that we need to find. Angle DEF is corresponding to angle DGC, and in our first part we found the value of angle DGC, which is 70 degree. Okay, so we can write here what we will write: by the property of corresponding angles. By the property of corresponding angle, angle DEF equal angle DGC. So angle DEF equal 70 degree. Okay, this is the end of your question number 5. For today we completed question number till question number 5 of this chapter. Only one question left that we will cover in our next month when we will have the new timetable.